Hope your day is going great. Even my day is going great. So as you have seen the title, you got to know what's my video. So it's going to be a wardrobe tour. I always wanted to make this video. I'm not making this video to show off or something that I have these many clothes, I have some expensive clothes or what. But I just wanted to share with you that how I organize my clothes and all. So I'm very excited. So without any further ado, make sure you like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll get all the notifications when I'm posting the video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Actually have total 3 cupboards, like total 3 cupboards in my room, but I thought like it's need not to use all these 3 cupboards because like these 2 cupboards my mom uses like to keep some winter clothes and all. So I decided to keep only one like kind of wardrobe because I don't have much clothes to keep also. So I decided to take a bigger one, and let's open it. So here you go guys, you can see my wardrobe, like see how organized it is. So I'm going to show you like some tips and tricks also. I'm going to show you how you can organize your wardrobe, and I'm going to show you everything in detail, what all single thing I have in my wardrobe. So let's go. Actually guys, yes, an interrupt हो रहा है, so I'm going to keep my chair here so that it will not interrupt my whole video. So here you go. I have total 3 sections or something, divisions of my wardrobe, like 1, 2, 3, and let me tell you in brief like what all I have. Like in the first category, I have kept all my pants, leggings, my sleeveless t-shirts and all. Second is full of my traditional dresses which are not touched by me, and my jewelry. And third is like nothing much about it. It's like all khali boxes and all. So let me show you what is there in this first cupboard or category. The first area has like kind of all my t-shirts hanged with all my hangers. So like just go check an overall view of all my t-shirts, whatever I have. An organizer where I have like kept all my sleeveless t-shirts, my full sleeve t-shirts, my shrugs, and my full top shrug or something. So let's go check that. What is there, like I am telling you one of the tip, note it down. Like whenever you arrange something, try arranging it in the boxes or like kind of these containers, which will give more space because all of them will go inside it, so you'll have more space to organize or keep something. So try keeping like these boxes as I have kept. And now I am going to show you my purse. Like this is my hand purse, like money rakhne ke liye. It was gifted by my mom on my birthday. So if you have not seen my birthday vlog, do check it out. I'm going to link that in the video in the description below, so you'll see my whole video if not seen, or else let's continue. So I have this purse, I have money in this, my pocket money and all. Coming to this part, I have my wristwatch. I have like number of them, but none of them works, like all broke and all. So this is like the thing which is like working with me from past 1 year, but it's actually switched off now. And coming to this part, I have like kind of nothing much in this. I just kept it like to keep my mask, my handkerchiefs, my Nivea cream, my like bindi, whatever I keep on my hair. And I have a like specs cleaning mask, and I have a mirror. And that's it. So guys, I have like now completing this, I am coming to this part. I have all my leggings, my pajamas, my nightwear suits, and my leggings, my jeans pant, my plazos and all. I have arranged it like order wise like that. These all I have my night pants, my daily wear jumpsuit, and like kind of skirts and like leggings and all. And coming to this part, I have like kind of my plazos, my night pants, and like my pajamas what I wear on kurtis and t-shirts like that. In this part, I have like total all my jeans. Guys, believe me, when I was cleaning my wardrobe, I thought that I didn't have much jeans pants. I thought like none of them I have. But when I cleaned my whole khazana, then I found these many jeans pants which I never dreamed to have. And I even have a jumpsuit here. So just go check an overall view of it. So guys, you have seen the first category, everything. It's like simply I can tell you that I have all my basic t-shirts, pants and all which I wear daily. So I've just kept it here, and so that I'll be easy to remove like this. Coming to the next part, which I've never touched and I don't touch usually, is my traditional dresses. So I have like around these traditional dresses which I rarely wear for the occasions and all. And let's go check this whatever I have here. So coming to this part, like after my traditional dresses, I have some frocks, some kurtis, like some frocks, kurtis only. Like I don't wear them a lot because I feel gharmi and all, so I usually wear these. So like just they are kept if I like suppose I wore this frock like that, if I feel to wear then I wear. So go check an overall view of it. So guys, this is the you have seen that. So now coming to this part, I have all my jewelry boxes. I have my rubber bands, my vanity box. And if you have not seen my vanity box store, do check it out. I have already posted a video on it. If you want to see it directly, you can see from my channel, or else for easier way I can keep it in the description below. I'll link that video in the description below. Do check it out. It's like very interesting or something. So this is my vanity box and I have all my jewelries and all. If you want a detailed video of everything whatever I have here guys, so you can comment down below so that I can make a detailed video of it if you would like to. इसके बारे में बताया ही नहीं. So these are my sling bags. I have like much, but I usually use these, so I've hanged it here using a something. What? I don't know. मैंने मेरी मम्मी को पूछा ये क्या है, so ये wall stick है, and I've kept my two like sling bags. Let me show it to you how it looks. Like this. I have like this has a music and this part is like very small one. It's like it's also good and it looks like this. Oh wow! So जब आगे मुझे lipstick और ये lip balm guys में it did more than have these all. Okay, so guys, you have seen the first part, second part, and it's done. The last part, which is not like actually much to express or something, but also I'm going to show it to you. So I have like kind of some dress. Actually, I had like these many. The whole box was filled up with all the traditional dresses ka dabba, but I removed all of them and I just kept. Again, I started collecting it so that like we can do it for art and craft or something. And one thing in this is I have like kind of in this one of the box I have all my chunnis, like my chunnis like for the traditional dresses. And guys, believe me, I had like total the whole cupboard of my traditional dresses from class 5th or something. So when I removed everything and tried all, none of them came, and I just found these which are coming to me. And those chunnis I've kept here. So I have like these. Just go check our overall view of this also. Collecting these guys, and you also collect, or if you have like good ideas of making some craft and ideas with the cardboard, so do like collect it so that you can keep it for later use for that. And next I have my slippers, my birthday slippers. So I thought to keep it in my shoe rack, but I felt to keep it in my wardrobe, so I kept it. And this is a hat which is not worn by me because it's lockdown, so कौन पहनेगा? ये बेचारा वहां पे रह कर मुझे पूछ रहा है मैं कब पहनूंगी उसे. So अभी पहन लेंगे. ये देखो मैं कैसे लग रही हूँ. So thumbnail picture. So done. And let's keep it back, guys. And next I have my school bag because like it's due to corona, we can't go to school. So ये पड़ा पड़ा रो रहा है कि मैं कब बाहर आऊंगा. So अभी भी तेरा टाइम है. So I'm going to keep it back. And guys, actually I have total 3 blankets. Out of those, 1 I'm using and 2 others are left out. They all are like fat wale, smooth and like smooth winter wale. So I thought let's use that, and then alternative I use it, so I've kept it here. And that's it, guys. You can just go and check a last overall view of my whole cupboard. So guys, this is the end of this week's video or today's video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And don't forget, guys, if you are pressing the bell icon, press the bell icon to the all notification, so that like the minute I will post you, then you'll get the notification. And I will be getting more new videos, upcoming funny videos, challenges and all, because I told you in my before video also that my 24th से हमारा holiday start होने वाला है. So I'll be getting new funny videos which will entertain you. That is the thing, motive for me. So I will be waiting for you in the next videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.